hear you laughing, and I see you smile. You know that you're my everything. Life of the party as you dance around. You've got me 10 feet off the ground.
Way up to the castle from the old town is quite steep, but it is enjoyable.
I can see when I got your love.
After a long walk, we are going to the castle.
When I got your love. When I got your love.
The Berat Castle is one of the most iconic landmarks in this area. It sits atop a rocky hill on the left bank of Osum River, overlooking the city of Berat. For the best time to visit Berat Castle, I recommend you to go early, where the sun's still low and the castle is still empty, and you will have the whole place to yourself. There are two levels of Berat, one at the bottom of the valley, another one is on top of the hill. Both are unique and you can enjoy amazing views from both elevations. From this height viewpoint looking down, it is easy to understand why Berat also named City of Thousands of Windows.
Alright, so we came to Berat Castle and now we are wandering around the village that is surrounding the castle. We kind of like to get lost. Look at this, look at this. Hidden alley. This is what we like. And the view.
Let's continue and explore more.
Let's go, follow us.
Walk through sunshine, and we'll dance in the rain. You always find a way to ease the pain.
The hidden gem.
So I can breathe.
I think one day in Berat is not enough. You definitely could spend like 2 days or more.
On the way, we have abandoned building. We are tempted to go in, but
There's a door.
so I can breathe.
Over here, nice and cool. But during communism, it is a jail. That you have a little window.
When I got your love, when I got your love, you always find a way to ease the pain, so I can breathe.
Over here, this is the Orthodox church. It will be beautiful after refurbished. On the top of this tower, you can see the whole Berat. This platform inside Berat Castle is one of the best viewpoints in Berat. It is totally worthy to get all the way to the end. From here, you will able to see Berat city and the surrounding landscapes from above.
When I got your love, when I got your love, when I got your love,
And there are fruit stands on the way and horse riding.
I can breathe, I can see. When I got your love, when I got your love, oh, when I got your love.
Next chapter, we will go to a special monastery in Vlore.